Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you something I have been doing for many years. This dish is very yummy and you should try as well. For this recipe you need tuna. I have bought these tuna chunks in olive oil from Coles. And the next ingredient is Gow Gee Pastry. You can buy this from Woolworths. I have never seen in other supermarkets like Coles or Aldi. One packet has 30 sheets. I have taken 2 packets because I am going to make 60 patties for a family dinner. That's why I have taken 2. So quantities depend on your requirement. This idea came to my mind when I first saw this at Woolworths. The next thing we need is smashed potatoes. Make sure you smash it very well without any chunks. We also need finely chopped red or green chilies, onions and curry leaves. Okay, next you drain the oil in tuna tins into a frying pan. You can use the same oil or you can use some other oil you like. Okay, now you add chopped onions, red chilies and curry leaves. Fry for about 1 minute or maybe less depending on the quantities you are using. And then add some chopped garlic and ginger. Here I have used the paste, and then cardamom seeds. Mix all together, add some salt according to your taste, and then add curry powder, chili powder and turmeric powder and salt according to your taste. Unfortunately, adding those ingredients hasn't been recorded. Okay, now add tuna chunks and mix well. Fry for about 1 or 2 minutes. Make sure to break those tuna chunks, otherwise it's difficult to fold the pastry sheet. So mix well to incorporate all the ingredients together. Okay, mix well. Okay, now we are adding smashed potato. Make sure to break those chunks, okay? Also, you can add some pepper. It's up to you. You can add whatever you like. So this is how it looks like. So make sure you break all the chunks. Once it's cooled down, add some lime juice or lemon juice. Okay, this is the fun part. So we have pastry sheets. We need some water and a plate and a fork. As you can see, the pastry sheet is very thin. First thing you do, you damp the pastry sheet like this with water. Don't put too much of water though. And add the filling. Keep the filling in the center. And fold the pastry sheet like this. You have to seal the patties, otherwise it will break. Okay. You can seal with your fingers first, like this. And then you can use the fork to press. When you use the fork, you can seal it properly. This is how you make the patties. So the same way. Okay, let's make another one. I made this many because we had a family gathering. It was my mother-in-law's birthday, so we had a family dinner. If it is just your family, one packet is more than enough because it has 30 sheets. It's all done. The filling was too much. I think I must have added too much smashed potato. This is our Ringo. Okay, it's time to fry your patties. I am deep frying the patties. You can use your air fryer or you can bake it, but I always deep fry my patties because it's crispy, and I don't know, if you want to, you can use your air fryer or you can bake it. But I've never done that. I always deep fry. Fry both sides until they are golden brown. If you cannot find these pastry sheets in your supermarkets, try in Asian grocery shops. If you're watching this video from other countries like US, UK, Canada or some other countries, try in your Asian grocery shops. Wow, look at this, guys. I forgot to tell you something. It's better to fry these patties just before you eat, maybe 1 hour, because otherwise it won't be crispy. It will go soggy. So make sure you fry it just before you eat. I couldn't wait until I finished frying, so I tried one. It was very hot and I burned my tongue. Whenever I cook in our outside kitchen, Ringo always waits for a treat. He's waiting for patties. You'll get one. It's still hot. Okay, I'll get one. Come on, Papa. Oh, he's running with the patties. Ringo loves my patties. Please try this recipe and let me know. There you have it. I always make these patties whenever we have our family gatherings, dinners, lunches, and everyone loves my patties. Try this recipe and let me know. Thanks for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like and share these videos. Bye for now.